The first witness is on the stand in the case of a man accused of raping several women in Orange County.
Deputies say Nelson Odage confessed to the attacks targeting women at bus stops near Hiawassee Road in Pine Hills. West 2's Spencer Tracy live outside the Orange County Courthouse with an update. Spencer.
That's right, and we're hearing her emotional testimony, one of the 4 females that are accusing Nelson Odage of sexual battery. Now, the state and defense both presented their opening statements, and they say multiple witnesses will be taking the stand. That includes the 4 female victims, as well as one of their family members, as well as law enforcement, and as well as DNA analysts. Now, Odage is here and is present in the courtroom. He's facing multiple counts of sexual battery with a firearm and kidnapping. Deputies say Odage confessed to 4 different attacks starting in January at bus stops near Hiawassee Road back in 2023. Now, in the state's opening statements, prosecutors say each woman was approached by a man covered head to toe in all black, and they could only see a man's eyes. Prosecutors say each woman told them they were asked by this man if they spoke English or Spanish. Then he would ask them for money and pull out what prosecutors say was a small handgun. The state says the 4th female victim will take the stand tomorrow.
You're going to hear that there's a very, very similar pattern here of these women being approached while alone at the bus stop.
And just remember that the way this works is that the state gets to go first, and then after they're done, if he chooses to, Mr. Odage will have his chance to talk to you. So that's all we ask, is that you don't rush to any decisions.
Now, the state says law enforcement will also be taking the stand. They're going to be talking about evidence and how they used a license plate reader in this case. Prosecutors say they were able to identify Odage's car, which was a dark sedan, in the area multiple times, and that it belonged to him. They were able to track that. Now, coming up at 6, we will be able to hear from the first witness taking the stand. Now, the state's opening statement was a lot longer than the defense's. They say they took a lot of time going over the jury selection with this particular case. I'm covering Orange County live in Orlando. Spencer Tracy, West 2 News.